Fellow travelers, welcome back to AZ Travel Hero. Today we're diving into the heartland of America, exploring the top 5 best places to visit in Iowa. So, let's get started. Number 1, Iowa City. Our first stop on this epic journey through Iowa is none other than the vibrant and historic Iowa City. Steeped in culture and history, this city is a must-visit. From the iconic old Capitol building to the lively downtown scene, you'll be captivated by its charm. Number 2, Amana Colonies. Our next destination takes us to a place where time seems to stand still. The Amana Colonies, the group of 7 charming villages, is located in Iowa, USA. These villages were founded by German settlers back in the 19th century and have a really unique history. If you're looking for a unique and historical experience with great food and artisanal crafts, the Amana Colonies are definitely worth a visit. Number 3, Des Moines. Now, let's head to the vibrant capital city of Iowa, Des Moines. This city strikes a perfect balance between modernity and nature, making it a true travel gem. Visit the state capitol building and explore the hip East Village. Des Moines offers something for everyone, whether you're an art aficionado or a nature lover. Number 4, Pikes Peak State Park. Our adventure continues as we journey to the breathtaking Pikes Peak State Park, a hidden gem in northeastern Iowa. This park boasts some of the most stunning views in the state. Hike along the scenic trails, enjoy a picnic with a view, and be sure to snap some photos of the incredible bluffs overlooking the mighty Mississippi River. Pikes Peak State Park is a nature lover's paradise. Number 5, Okoboji. Our final destination on this Iowa adventure takes us to the stunning Okoboji area. Located in the northwest part of the state, this region is a hidden gem for water lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Okoboji is the crown jewel here, offering boating, fishing, and crystal clear waters for swimming. Whether you're a thrill seeker or prefer a relaxing day by the lake, Okoboji has it all. So there you have it, fellow travelers, the 5 best places to visit in Iowa. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to AZ Travel Hero. And as always, if you have any travel tips or places you'd like us to explore next, drop them in the comments below.